You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Interesting name of an Indian dessert. For more names from Indian cuisine, but also beyond, make sure to stay tuned. That's a confectionery or a dessert originating in Persia, in fact. Pronunciation: Gulab. Gulab, with a stress on that second syllable, Gulab Jamun. Now the stress is on the first syllable, Jamun. Gulab Jamun. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.